Brentwood presents the single-serve coffee maker. To use, open the lid in the back and then pour in desired amount of water. Next, close the lid, lift up the protective release latch, and slide out the coffee tray. This coffee maker is compatible with K-cups or fresh coffee grounds. The floor tray is adjustable to fit your desired serving size. The coffee maker brews 8 to 10 ounces per serving. Press the power button and select the desired serving amount. For your convenience, a stainless steel 10-ounce personal travel mug is included. The single-serve coffee maker presented by Brentwood.